leadership training across 50 plus Indian minority managed higher education institution with PhD in wildlife science from AMU. Her research focuses on environmental study and tree-based conservation, especially for students from madrasa background. She has completed leadership program at OU State University and Monash University also. And I am Udaipur with the additional certification from Harvard edX and the Writers Bureau UK, recognized with awards like the Government Governors Medal for Social Services and Nishani Urdu by the UK government. Dr. Abbasi has authored or edited 15 books and frequently speaks at national and international forum. Besides that, she she edited the 15 books in English and Urdu. Dr. Abbasi serves on various academic boards and editorial committee. She has hosted major AMU events and broadcasted for All India Radio. A committed volunteer, she supports education, literature, and women's empowerment through several social organizations. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome our guest, Faida Basi.
Assalamu alaikum. Chief guest, Dr. Kausal Usman Sahab, coming all the way from Lucknow. Our today special guest who will be presiding over this function, Professor Asghar Ali Khan. Despite all his preoccupations, he's made it to this program here. Dean, Faculty of Unani Medicine, Professor Ubaidullah Khan Sahab. Principal AKTC, Professor Barkatullah Khan Sahab, and Dr. Professor Amna Naz Sahiba, co-organizing secretary, and as very rightly said, the backbone of this program, Professor Subuhi Mustafa. And I can see so many people who should be mentioned, but I can't stop without mentioning Professor Naeem Sahab. He's kind of the representative of Tibia in Aligarh today, and I have been his patient for the last 25 years. So, honorable faculty members, practitioners, students, research scholars at the AKTC, thank you for having me here. I want to congratulate you on thinking of this topic in the realms of Unani medicine. So, my dear friends, these days we talk quite a lot about the Indian knowledge systems. What we have to offer to the world, because, and this is something I always say, we cannot compete with the West in innovation and invention in allopathic medicine because they are way ahead of us. However, we are keeping pace with that practice. I shouldn't be saying this in front of Professor Kausal Usman Sahab. He's from one of the premier institutions of the country. However, there's so much that India, from its ancient and medieval origins, has to offer to the world which they don't know of. तो कहीं ना कहीं यूनानी मेडिसिन जो तिब्बे यूनानी है वो जाके तिब्बे नबवी से मिलती है और मैं अल्लामा इकबाल का ये शेर यहाँ पे कहे बगैर नहीं रह सकती कि खीरा न कर सका मुझे जलवे दानिशे फिरंग खीरा न कर सका मुझे जलवे दानिशे फिरंग सुरमा था मेरी आँख का खाके मदीना नजफ. On top of it, today you have thought of menopause as a topic of deliberation. Again, I must say, your act of expanding into the contemporary issues of health, and that too by amalgamating with the knowledge and the research of the allopathic system, is a very, very, I must say, optimal step. हम खवातीन की बहुत अहमियत जानते हैं क्योंकि वो जन्म देती माँ होती है, लेकिन एक बड़ा मुश्किल दौर खवातीन की जिंदगी में जब आता है मेनोपॉज के आसपास, और बड़ा उम्दा आज मेरे इल्म में इजाफा हुआ कि अरबी में से पंपियास यानी कि the losing of hope कहा जाता है. Of course, there are hormonal changes and everyone has to go through. You know, I'm 50 years old. I'm dreading the coming times. I would like to experiment with what Amraz Islam of Amalat has to say about it. So it's wonderful that you have thought of it and that you are doing it. And I want to thank you that you're doing it here. ये दरो दीवार ये घरों मकान मैं इनकी मेजबानी करती हूँ लेकिन आपने यहाँ मुझे मेहमान बनाया मेरे ऊपर ये मेरी गुलपोशी हुई मेरे अपने घर में और ये मुझे अपना घर आज इसलिए और भी लग रहा है क्योंकि प्रोफेसर बोली मेरी बिल्कुल बड़ी बहन है तो बड़ा एक हसीन सा लम्हा मेरे लिए रहा मेरी दिली दुआ है और खुलूस आप सबके लिए कि आज का ये जो दिन है कि आप सब इकट्ठा हैं इसे छत के नीचे और ये managing menopause holistic care approaches and recent advancements in management इस पर you will be having I think very valuable deliberations because you have people like Professor Naeem with you, you have people like Professor Kausar with you, and then your entire group of people from the AKTC itself. So I wish you the very best for coming out with innovative measures of helping ease a certain obstacle that women face. And I'm also very encouraged that this is not being pigeonholed as a women issue. I'm also encouraged to see that in the front row we have so many male doctors, which is the need of the hour when it comes to any women issues. मैं यहाँ पे कोर्सेस कराती हूँ आपको पता है जब हम जेंडर स्टडीज पे कोर्स कराते हैं तो तवक्को ये होती है कि इसमें सिर्फ खवातीन पार्टिसिपेंट होंगी और इसमें लेक्चर्स भी सिर्फ खवातीन के होंगे जबकि मेरी कोशिश होती है कि ऐसा ना हो मेरी कोशिश होती है कि अगर कोई मसला खवातीन का है तो फिर उसे पूरी इंसानियत का मसला माना जाए और फिर सब मिलकर उस मसले का हल सोचने की कोशिश करें so putting your heads together joining your hands together and bringing the best on the table. So this is what I think this national workshop is meant to do. This is for which I congratulate the organizers to think of it and this is for which I wish you the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. हौसला अफजाई के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. Now I would like to request Professor Suhail